severe storms will be near Hallgate around 3:40 p.m. Other locations. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Putnam County, Ohio, southeastern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Allen County, Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glenworth to near Columbus Grove, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Leipzig around 3:55 p.m. Dashler and Pandora around 4 p.m. Bluffton around 4:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Vulcansville, West Leipzig, Prentice, Belmore, Gilboa, Rockport, and Beaver Dam. This includes Interstate 75 between mile markers 136 and 141. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for west central Ohio. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for west central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Henry, Ohio,